Welcome to EducAgent Studio, where a crew of AI agents help us teach and you learn with ease. Here's the problem we'll solve today. Here are our three given column vectors u, v, and w, and the target column b in three-dimensional space. The goal is to find numbers c, d, and e, so that c times u plus d times v plus e times w equals the vector b. Take a moment. If you don't yet know the answer, you'll feel the satisfaction of learning it soon. We're about to work it out step by step. We equate each component of the linear combination to the corresponding component of b. Compute cu plus dv plus ew component-wise. That gives three scalar equations shown here. We simplify the zero terms to produce the final system. Next, we pack the column vectors into a matrix and group the unknown scalars into the vector x. We place u, v, and w as the columns of A, let x collect c, d, and e, and then the matrix equation, ax equals b, is exactly our system. We'll solve from the bottom up. Use the third equation first, substitute into the second, then into the first. From the third equation, we isolate d in terms of e. Substitute d equals 2e into the second equation and solve for c in terms of e. Now substitute c and d in terms of e into the first equation to find e equals 1/4. Finally, compute d and c from e to get the numerical values. We perform a brief check. Plug the found scalars back into the linear combination to recover b. Substituting c, d, and e and simplifying gives exactly the vector b, confirming our solution. So our solution vector x and the matrix A are shown here. The values match the check. A compact recap of what we did. First, we wrote the three component-wise scalar equations. Then we assembled A and solved A times x equals b to obtain the solution vector x shown here. Nice work! You just solved a 3x3 linear combination. Watch the next video to learn more.